Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you my most recent project, that is home automation. So let me show you something. Look at this. The light is actually on, and when I press this turn off button, light goes off. Let me show you from here. The light is on and it is off. And when I press this fan button, the fan is on. And when I again press this button, the fan is turned off. And when I press this LED button, the light is on. And this mobile phone will work in your home. And if you are far away from your home and using this remote will work up to 10 km range. I am using these LoRa modules from React Technologies. The link for this module is in the description box. When I press this button, the light is off. When I again press this button, the light is on. You can see here, the light is off, the light is on. And when I press the other button, the fan is on. And when again this button, the fan turns off. This is my setup where I install these things. When I press this button, LED is off. And you can see relay module goes off. And when I again this press button, the relay is on. And when I press other button, fan is off, on, and the other relay module goes on. Here is this LED will show you that the signal is being in range. The remote and the receiver is in range. This one is the power supply, and this one is the LoRa module, as you can see in this screen. Here is my YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.